Welcome back to the Now Mom. Today we are super stressed and kind of crazy, but we're excited that we are throwing 2 Halloween parties today. Our teens wanted to throw a Halloween party as well as our younger kids. So we're kind of separating the parties just for age and activities. So we're gonna be simultaneously throwing 2 parties. Have actually halted school, and instead of doing school today, we're doing party prep and some Halloween lessons. So keep watching here on the Now Mom. We actually did some homeschool Halloween lessons, and you'll see some fun activities that you can do for Halloween. But first, we have to use our party planner printable. If you haven't checked this out on theohanaadventure.com, I'll link it down below, as well as our past birthday party planning video. But we're gonna use our party planning printable, fill it all out, and get ready for this party. All right, decorating for Halloween is super easy because we already have our regular decorations, but this is something that I made out of an old sheet a long time ago. It's my favorite Halloween decoration.
Jace is a piece of sheet.
It's a sheet. It's to mimic the mug shot, so it's not exact. Super easy to make. You take a sheet and you're gonna put blue tape across, and then you paint your line. I spray painted the black line across. You can find like the number cutouts at the grocery store, and I took the number cutouts and I just spray painted them, and it's supposed to look messy, and then I added a little bit of like a blood stain. Perfect for Halloween. I absolutely love it. It's super fun. We've been taking our Halloween pictures in front of this off and on for some time. So one of our activities is going to be the photo booth, and it works as a decor as well. Okay, we are going to be making a fun balloon arch here in the front where the arch is right there. We're gonna do like purple and black balloons, as well as some fun streamers. So really easy decorations. You just gotta blow up a ton of balloons. So this is our party prep area. I've taken our guest room and we've put balloons everywhere. We've got some of the games over here. So to keep everything kind of organized in the house and making sure like the table and the kitchen area stays somewhat clean in the living room, we're gonna put all of the party prep in here until it's ready to go up. If you have never seen the Bunch Balloons party balloons, it's one of my favorite things. They have this pack and it can blow up like, I think it's like a dozen balloons or 6 balloons in under a minute. It's fantastic. But we just pulled out the purple and the black, and we didn't have any bunch of balloons, so here we are blowing up balloons. Okay, while the kids are setting up all of the balloons and blowing up as much as possible, we're gonna be making witch fingers. Super easy. Some of them are a little gnarly. Depends on your artist here. It's really easy. You get a pretzel rod and you dip it in melted chocolate, and they have like the colors that are already in like the chocolate that's already in different colors. Super easy, you just microwave it. Then you put an almond as the finger nail, and then you put black frosting on top. So we've got our workstation here making these. Gonna be fun. We are also making worms and dirt, which is gonna be a favorite among all the little kids. We've got pudding. We're gonna put a worm in there and crumble some Oreos on top for the dirt. It's gonna be great. We're gonna do mummy dogs as well. Okay, as we're prepping our food, we are making mummy dogs. All right, all you need are 2 ingredients, which is hot dogs and then crescent rolls or the dough sheets. The dough sheets are gonna be the easiest to cut and to use. We're gonna take the hot dog and our sheet here, and we're gonna cut the sheet into long, thin strips, and we're gonna wrap our mummy dog, our dog up into a mummy, and we're gonna bake it in the oven for just 10 minutes. It'll be super yummy and ready for the party.
These look like real fingers if you actually like pay attention to just the green.
Witch fingers. Okay, here we go. We are now assembling. My favorite part of this Halloween party is a caramel apple bar. So you don't have to do all of the work. We have bought a ton of apples, which we're gonna slice up, and we're gonna have little kind of dusting stations. We ground up some graham crackers, so they'll bring their apple over after it's got caramel, and then they'll just kind of flake on their toppings. We've got graham crackers, shredded or coconut flakes. We've got Heath bits. Okay, we are making worms and dirt. So we've made chocolate pudding, we're putting the worms in. Easy way so you don't get your fingers nasty. You just push it down with a knife because we're going to then top the dirt on our the crumbs. So this is our crushed up Oreos. All right, here we go. We have our food station. It's gonna start in a row. We have our nice, healthier snacks. We have mummy dogs, our crackers and cheese, witch fingers, and then we get to the good stuff, worms and dirt. On the opposite side, we're gonna have our caramel apple bar. So we've already sliced up the Granny Smith apples, and then right when we're going to eat, I will melt the caramel, and we will have them all be able to dip in there. And then we'll have the bar where they can top it with whatever they want. Okay, we are setting up decorations. The easiest way to decorate is blowing up balloons and putting up streamers. So we like to tape, did you do the center right, Cal? We like to tape a sticky line out and then a regular sticky on the other side. And this way we can tape the streamers to the wall. Over our table, we are going to make an epic spider web. So we got these giant spiders from years ago. I think I got them on sale somewhere. And we're gonna pull out this web and stretch it over the top. Whoops. And push pin my spider into the wall. I love decorating for Halloween. It is super easy and really fun and does not have to be expensive. So far, we've only spent a couple bucks on balloons, our streamers, and this spider web. So the spider I reuse every single year. Now we have our cute little friends that have arrived. Let's see all the costumes. Now be cute, oh cute. Be like a little pose. So cute, I love it. Okay, ready? Stare down. Okay, perfect. All right, it is full Halloween party time. Who's ready for games? Okay, we have the cute fun games downstairs. This is gonna be the beanbag toss into the pumpkin. You get a point for 1 point for the mouth, 2 for the eyes, and 3 points for the nose. Woo! Keep going. See if you pick it off. Oh, so close. Keep going. Oh, you got 1 point though. Good job. So this is our Ghostbuster game. We made ghosts out of these cute little cups. And then we have our Nerf blaster here, our X-Shot. Okay, Bailey's up. She gets 1 shot to see if she can shoot it down. Oh, Bailey missed it. Okay, Quentin. Oh, he got it. Quentin gets a point. Okay, Luke, you're up. Oh, she got it. Oh, nice. Our next game is one of Wyatt's favorite. He set this up himself.
You just have to go into a line. You have to go on, and you can't walk off, and you have to at least look up. You go. Wow.
You have to make it to the end. So, wait. This one's called the spider walk, and we can do 2 people at a time, or 3 people, and we're gonna see who can reach the end without falling off the spider web, okay? Gotta look up, Paisley.
Very good.
Uh-oh. Look all the way up, Presley. Keep your head up. Oh, this is a hard one. Up.
It goes like this, dude.
Oh! Paisley falls at the end, Presley falls. This is a difficult but really, really fun game. Oh, don't fall off, Oh. Oh, Elsie fell off. Good try, Elsie. Look up, Sophie, look up. Sophie is almost there. Oh, you just walked off. This is the danger zone. Everyone seems to walk off right here. Okay. Oh, this is a hard one. Head up. Head up. Oh, Lydia. Oh, no, you fell off the web. This is an intense game. Okay, eyes up. I think because people are so anxious to fall off, they have to look down. But I don't think anyone's looked all the way down. Head all the way up. Ready? Start walking. Head up, Steven. Oh, look at those feet. Head up. Head up. You gotta look all the way up.
She didn't touch it. Yeah.
Oh.
Brielle, you fell off.
Oh, Brielle is off the web. You gotta look up. Oh, darn. This is so hard. 20 kids and we're trying to get a group photo. And I'm bribing them with all the candy in the world. 3,
Wait.
2,
Wait, what do we do?
pose. Here we go. Trick or treat, smell my feet. Take one.
Something to tea. If you don't, I don't care. I will find your underwear.
Okay, one treat for right now. One treat for right now.
I'm trying to find the goodies. One treat.
Okay, let's do movie time.
Okay, all right, we're gonna do which pitch where they're gonna have to toss these candy corn into our buckets. And anything they put in the bucket, they get to eat.